Yes guys, Keyl Skills here. You see me back in the garden again with another video. I haven't got a clue what this video is about. He's just set it all up and in a minute he's going to chuck me something to open. Whoa. Yeah, it's an Adidas box. Very big Adidas. Just to say, the box is battered. I don't know what company's delivered this. Oh, it's all sticky. Look, what is that? The hell? It don't matter about the box. Oh wow, I've just ripped all of it. Then I could just rip that. That's not doing anything, is it? Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Here it is. This is the thing that we need. So, an Adidas box. Three, two, one. Really scared. No. 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 Guys, these are sick. Look at them. I mean, look at the studs. Look at them. Oh my god. They are sick. This is mad. I saw them on Free Kickers, but like, this is mad. Shut up. This is mad. So guys, what I like about these is that they don't have a tongue at all. Like, they're just, I have no words. They're just, oh my god. The bottoms look really sick as well. They're just so sick. They're really, really nice. I love the pattern as well. All the patterns on the boots. I like this yellow, the Adidas sign, yellow. And at the back it says Nemeziz in the same yellow. And it says on the side, agility, bandage. The studs are like the see-through, yellow. The black stripes are really nice. I just like the plain sole with the bright yellow. And like this will be really, really comfortable. They're just so soft, like, oh. I just love them so much. They're really stretchy as well with the sock. They're really cool. So guys, it's a really nice night, so I wonder if I can test them out now. In fact, I'll see you down the pitch. So you join us at the pitch. Let's get these bad boys tested. So it looks like you tuck the laces under here. And then they pop out. This bit's very elasticy. I've just felt the toe box at the bottom, and then I felt up here, and it feels like, oh, I don't know, like rubbery. It feels really nice. And then I felt this bit, and it's elastic. All around here, the top bit, and back here, it's really like rubbery. And I think you can get proper like swaz, like swazi. It's what we call swaz, you know. So guys, these feel really comfortable, and they are very rubbery on the toe box. Let's get testing these bad boys.
Drop. You think that? Drop. It's cool.
So let's test which of these guys.
You think that? If you drop it, make it drop. Oh, drop the blow. Danger. Oh, maybe drop. What's cool? If you drop it, make it drop. Oh,
these are sicky.
Drop. You think that? If you drop, make it drop. Oh, drop the blow. Danger. Oh, maybe drop. What's cool? Make it drop. Oh, danger. Oh, maybe drop.
So as you can see, the GoPro in the top right corner, it looks far too comfortable.
Drop it. Throw your elbows up. Drop. Go. You drop it. Get the blow. Drop it, make it drop. Oh, drop the blow. Danger. Oh, maybe drop.
I have to do that. Get the camera out my face. Get the camera.
Danger. Oh, maybe drop. You think that? If you drop, make it drop. Oh, drop the blow. Danger. Oh, maybe drop.
What's this knob do?
Make it drop. Oh, danger. Oh, maybe drop. You think that? Drop it. Throw your elbows up. Drop. Go. Drop. Drop it.
So if I was in a penalty shootout in the World Cup final, this is where I'd put it.
You think that? If you drop it, make it drop. Oh, drop the blow. Danger. Oh, maybe drop. What's cool? If you drop it, make it drop. Oh, danger. Oh, maybe drop. drop. You think that if we drop, make it drop. Oh, drop the blow. Danger. Oh, maybe drop was cool. Make it drop. Oh, danger.
So guys, that was me testing the Adidas Nemeziz. I do really recommend getting these boots. They're really comfortable, they're really light. They're just amazing. The touch, the feel, the shots, you can get really good ping on there. Also, if there's any other videos you want me to do, put in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, comment and share. Most importantly, subscribe. Love, peace and techers, Keyl skills. Crossbar.
Drop it, make it drop. Oh, drop the blow, danger. Oh, maybe drop was cool. If you drop it, make it drop. Oh, danger. Oh, maybe drop. You think that if you drop, make it drop. Oh, drop the blow, danger. Oh, maybe drop. What's this knob do?